speak their own language natively. They can, if they learn, if they study in their own language, they will, of course, attain greater competence and understanding, not only of their language, but of the subject matters they're dealing with. It'll increase their capacity to proceed to higher levels of study and inquiry. It will help integrate them successfully into the general world of culture, science, interaction with others, developing sense of self-worth, learning the dignity and consciousness that you can achieve and inquire and create and so on. That's the way to intellectual development and freedom and independence. And from there, it gives you a springboard to go on to wherever you want to go, maybe to study French, maybe to study something else. No other country speaks Dutch, but that's not a reason why Dutch children should not learn and study in Dutch. And as we see from the Netherlands, it's the basis for creating a successful, advanced, developed society. You develop your own abilities, capacities, self-image, and so on through work in your own native language, and from there you go on to other things. Countries did develop, and they developed by basing themselves on their own culture, traditions, language, and Haiti can do exactly the same. In fact, if Haitian children are deprived of the opportunity to study, work, develop in their own culture and language, they will be forever deprived. They will not be able to move on to become development and so on. Graphical systems of French, English, many other languages developed in complex ways over many centuries. They're not transparent. You can't look at English and know English spelling and know how to pronounce it. Creole is lucky in that the orthography was created by linguists who established it as a transparent, immediately accessible orthography. Makes it very easy for children to learn how to spell and to read. It overcomes the difficulties that you face in, say, French and English because of the lack of transparency of the orthography. It's kind of more like, say, Italian, where you can almost look at it and pronounce it. If you look at the existing languages of the world, like, say, English and French, over centuries, many centuries, there were efforts to try to standardize and regularize the orthography. Haitian Creole is lucky in that it can be done right away with the understanding of how it should be done, with linguistic competence, with attention to the nature of the language, and the kinds of steps that can be taken right now, which incidentally are being taken elsewhere. For example, in the Basque country, where Basque has been revived as the national language very recently, linguists have been working quite effectively on developing conventions for writing, reading, even developing vocabulary that isn't part of the language. And it has turned Basque from a language that was spoken, by people often rural regions, into the language of the country. It can be done in Creole as well, just collapsing what took centuries in other societies and ended up often with a complex system of the kind that just evolves over centuries, can be done right away, done in a systematic and principled fashion, and it will provide Haitian children with a system that's optimally designed for their own personal development and educational. Exciting recent development, which I've only heard about quite recently, is an agreement between the Academy and the government to carry forward joint educational system is based on the language of the people, namely the language they speak, their native language, Creole, and to work together to implement this at all levels of the schools, the universities, to carry forward the projects of making sure that the written system and its conventions are adapted to the nature of the language, and to develop programs to carry children from the early stages up through advanced work in universities and beyond in the native language that will now be available to them in a efficient fashion. Level of learning to read up to the most advanced level of studying at the outer limits of scientific knowledge. There's a great deal that can be done, and that is being done with sophisticated use of computers and software programs to develop programs of advanced study in the sciences and other areas, and make it available to students right from the beginning of learning to read up